Hello everyone, myself Aditi. I'm working with Anvit Rao and Professor Han Haijema at Mechanical Engineering Department, Kailuvan. My title for this presentation is Effect of Process Parameters on the Surface Topography Formation in Precision Additive Metal Manufacturing. This work briefly presents the relationship between process parameters and surface topography of additive manufactured parts. Surface topography of parts produced by additive manufacturing differs from those produced by conventional manufacturing. Additive manufactured parts contain melt-pull track due to interaction between laser beam and metal powder. Also, these typical surface have spatters and non-melted powder particles, sometimes also surface porosity. The quantitative measurement of this feature can provide useful information to optimize process parameters. Merging steel samples were produced with in-house developed laser melting machine at Kailuvan by using different processing parameters. Process parameters considered here are linear energy density, normalized enthalpy, and theoretical productivity. The main purpose was to study the effect of laser power and scan speed on Archimedes part density and surface texture parameters. The graph here shows the linear energy density uh, for all the 24 samples, and the Archimedes relative density for the same was obtained. Here it shows that bulk relative density varies from 93% to 99% and above. Later 2.5D surface topography was used to measure the top surface for all the samples from confocal microscopy of SensorFAR system. The data was filtered with Gaussian filter with S nesting index of 8 micrometer and L nesting index of 150 micrometer. The cutoff wavelength was chosen according to minimum feature size, that is spatter, and maximum feature size, that is melt-pull track width. Later, surface texture parameters were calculated according to ISO standard 25178 part 2. We considered here amplitude parameter SQ and hybrid parameter SDQ because these two are more independent parameters. The samples with higher power and similar scan speed, which shows a lower SQ value and SDQ value. This could be due to higher laser power leads to larger melt pool. With this larger melt pool, more remelting of previous layers occur, which result into smoother surface. However, if laser power exceeds certain limit, unwanted defects such as keyhole porosity may be introduced in the sample. On other hand, with the higher scan speed, if scan speed is increased, melt pool break down into smaller balls due to higher surface tension. So the surface roughness can be expected to increase. The future work will be implementation of surface topography measurement technique for further optimization of AM process. This project was funded by European Project Palm Square. Thank you for listening. I am now looking forward for questions.